Turkish Aerospace Industries previously completed the delivery of the second batch of two T129 ATAK helicopters to the Philippine Air Force. With this latest delivery, the total number of helicopters received by the Philippine Air Force now stands at 4. Initial deliveries began in March 2022, and the remaining two helicopters are scheduled to be delivered by the end of 2023 at Clark Pampanga Air Base. Some photos of what appears to be one of the last two Philippine Air Force T129 ATAK Attack Helicopters is seen in Turkey during an inspection by Nigerian government officials. The paint scheme is similar to those delivered to the Philippine Air Force, and the P in Philippines can be seen in one of the photos. This helicopter is scheduled to be delivered to the Philippines in the near future, most likely before the end of the year. Nigeria acquired several T129 ATAK attack helicopters from Turkey's TAI, making them the second confirmed export customer after the Philippines, and considering Pakistan's failed attempt to procure them. The Nigerian army is expected to operate T129s bound for their country. As part of ongoing defense modernization, the Philippines is scheduled to receive two additional Turkish-made ATAK T129 helicopters by the end of 2023. The 2.6 trillion rupiah $269 million contract, including delivery of 4 T129s in 2022, is intended to strengthen security within that country. Actions against insurgency and terrorism, as well as contributing to its external defense activities. The acquisition of these 6 helicopters is part of the Horizon 2 component of the Armed Forces of the Philippines (AFP) modernization program, according to the country's Department of National Defense. The T129 will be a force multiplier on the battlefield, supporting land and maritime operations as an asset of the PAF's 15th Strike Wing. They will complement the PAF's fleet of armed, light observation and transport helicopters. This fleet of T129 ATAK helicopters, which is one of the best and most advanced systems acquired so far, is critical in achieving the AFP's goal of achieving a credible defense posture, Castillo said. The T129's roles range from close air support, precision strikes, deep strikes, suppression of enemy air defenses, security, urban warfare, and air-to-air warfare. Philippine Air Force (PAF) spokesperson Colonel Maria Consuelo Castillo told Forum. Specifically, it is an all-weather platform and is designed for advanced strike and reconnaissance missions, in both day and night conditions. The procurement package includes training and logistical support, Castillo said, and an initial group of PAF pilots have already undergone basic training and instruction on the T129 in Turkey, with more to follow. As with any new and advanced platform procurement, integration or phasing will face challenges in terms of human resources, training and maintenance, Castillo said. This new acquisition requires the PAF to dedicate more pilots and maintenance crews to fly and maintain the platforms for its day and night operations. In addition to initial flight crew training, recurring training should be regularly programmed. Continuity of operations must also be ensured through efficient service and logistical support. For both internal and external security threats, the T129 attack helicopter is capable of conducting aerial reconnaissance and providing firepower to provide an advantage to government forces and neutralize enemy forces as needed, Castillo said. The T129 is derived from the Augusta 129 Mangusta platform, is a twin-engine tandem seed attack helicopter designed for all-weather operations, developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries to meet the requirements of the Turkish Armed Forces for advanced attack and improved tactical reconnaissance. Helicopter features such as improved engines, rotor blade transmission, avionics, airframe modifications and weapon systems were integrated into the Augusta Westland 129 airframe. The T129 helicopters delivered to the Philippine Air Force are equipped with a full arsenal including rockets and SIR anti-tank 70mm guided missiles, 19-round rocket launchers for 70mm unguided rockets and AM-197 20mm 3-barrel rotary cannon installed inside. Furthermore, the T129 has the ability to be armed with additional weapons such as the Rocketsan UMTA anti-tank missile and short-range Stinger air-to-air missiles, which the Philippine Air Force does not currently have.